at 6 a.m., right on schedule.
Sailed slowly and landed a perfect shot before it vanished.
Replicate on foot an aerial perspective of torn fields, ripped fences,
Broke instantly, and after the second hit targets in the shadows. And then there was a massive...
As we were about to catch our breath, something unusual caught our eye down in the valley. Another herd of wild boars appeared.
you spot tracks that would be invisible on the ground, and you can pin a target before
a sprawling 900-acre field as we soared in the helicopter, charging straight toward us. The gun along with the boar's movements and fire. The first
Helicopters are a controversial but effective tactic in large-scale hog control. From above, you get a tactical edge.
Cornered it on the mountainside. As it frantically tried to escape from the hunting dogs, his eyes were locked forward, as if he had sensed something wrong. Sure enough,
moving with a cold intelligence that forces to sharpen every sense. They're not just game to be checked off a list.
Gather their gear, high-powered rifles, night vision scopes.
Together, waiting for that split second where skill
Farmers, wild boars are now raised as a living treasure, carrying with
the chaos below is a test of nerves.
As one of them moved into, I didn't hesitate and pulled the trigger. A precise shot took it down in an instant.
The landscape looked less like a maze and more like a map. From the chopper, adapted to survive in the thickest cover. Gear checked.
About trophies. It's about protecting the land, managing wildlife.
Threatening native wildlife. On YouTube, videos showcasing wild hog hunts in Texas. Hello everyone, while
dives back into cover. That view is brutal and beautiful. Farmland shredded by rooting.
That's the end of today's video. Did this trip excite you? Leave your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more intense hunting adventures.
As much as marksmanship.
The animal, though injured, tried to keep running. In that their exact location, we deployed a tactical ambush.
this destructive species, dive into the intense world of hunting, where humans
wild boar frantically running. Unfortunately for it, today was not a hunting team and I set out early in the morning, following the guidance of the OnX Hunt app on our phone.